We kinda out here. Day 18. Raw chicken experiment. Today we gotta tie again. Day 18. Going down as the most low vibes day yet. Mood and energy has been kinda shitty today. Pretty fatigued. Bad vibes in the simulation. Is it a simulation? I could see it being a simulation. There seems to be some kind of laws in place. Certain type of programming going on in this place we live. And we as a humans kind of breaking most of the laws that are in place. And that's why we are so fucked up. That's why I probably feel so bad. I broke some laws in this simulation. I fucked up. Maybe yesterday, maybe a month ago, maybe earlier. Your body can store bad stuff, toxins, whatever inside of it for a long ass time. And it is not easy to figure out why some days you feel so shitty out of the blue. Is it the raw chicken? I don't know. I kinda crave the raw chicken right now to pick me up. Raw chicken pick me up. Yeah, I crave raw chicken. Day 18. It is seriously pretty good. Tastes good. Or maybe it's just how the stars are aligned. Because in that stuff, astrology, is that based or not? That must be like, bitches be like. It is Mercury in retrograde. The moon is in Gemini. Sun is in Cancer right now. That's why you feel shit. Maybe that's how the ancient people read the simulation from the stars. Or maybe that's just plain retarded. I don't know. I don't know about the astrology or simulation theory. I'm open to both of them. Anyways, there definitely is some basic laws in place in this reality we live in. And if you break those, you're gonna feel like shit. Or worse, you're gonna die. And if you do things right, your energy is gonna be right. your body's gonna be right physically. Or is it a completely random? Just pure luck. Roll of a dice. Might be. No one man has all the answers. I think so. It would be kind of funny if somebody had all the answers and he goes around telling people how things are, and then just most of the people tell him he's a mad lunatic. He has lost his mind. I could see that happen very easily. But it is pretty beautiful out. That's not the reason I feel like shit today. Another day, and another raw chicken going down. Maybe this is the beginning of the end. Salmon Nutella striking. We'll see if there's gonna be a day 19. Anyways, see ya.